Welcome to Tech Talk English.
Dear learners and teachers, in this video you will learn how to create a short story for your English classrooms using ChatGPT, and you can do a video on it using Grok AI. Watch the video till the end. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell button soon after it. Search for grok.com. Click here on the first search result, Grok. We will reach the Grok interface. This is Grok interface. At first we have to sign up, for which click here. Sign up with Google. Then join on with any of your email ID. Click on any of your email ID. Click on continue. You will be redirecting into the Grok platform. At first, let us see how to create an image. See images and video options here. There is also option to choose aspect ratio. 3 aspect ratios are available here. You can choose according to your choice. It is here we will give prompts to generate images or videos. At first, we had to prepare a story for it. In order to generate a story for it, ChatGPT can assist you. Here I created a story, Honesty Rewarded. Here I gave a prompt that give me a kid story in 200 words or less with cinematic style in which cute girl and her fluffy rabbit should be the main characters. The setting of the story should be her own garden. The theme of the story is Honesty Rewarded. Then created me a good story. ChatGPT can give you voiceover script time to each scene. We can create voiceover through ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you clear script for voiceover. Wow, script for voiceover also is ready. Now we have generated prompt for each scene, keeping consistency. Here Grok itself had given prompts to maintain a unified, animated, magical, slightly stylized look. Copy code also is given. Now we have to copy the code from here and paste it into Grok prompt area. Now let us create an animation story using Grok. Come to Grok platform. Here you can see option to upload a file and Google Drive options. Now let us copy the code and paste it in the Grok. I am pasting the prompt here in Grok. Now let us run the prompt. Here is the run button. Hi, it is generating images. Let us enjoy the images. It will create images one by one. Now you can select the images of your own choice and save it to your computer. You see, there are so many fantastic images as per our prompts. Now we have to generate a video. Just click the arrow button. The video generation is in progress. Then you can see the video is generating. Then you can review which video will do you good. Then if you find the video is good, just click on the heart button and send to favorites. The video is playing in your favorites. Wow, you see the video is generated with perfect sound. It's fantastic. Now you can download the video by clicking this arrow button. Just click on the download button below and download it into your destination. Now the video is playing with the perfect sound. Thus we can generate each scene one by one. But remember to keep the consistency of the characters. For it, play the video, then just stop half the way while playing it and generate the next scene. Then we will get consistent characters. Character consistency is the most appealing part of a video. So now we are generating each scene one by one. Try to keep the consistency, don't forget it. Grok can create consistent characters. Now you can save each scene in any of the destinations you like in your system. Then we have to edit the scenes into a single story. Let us see it. For editing, you can use any editing software or tool. Here, I'm using Kdenlive, a free video editing software. If you want a separate video on Kdenlive video editing software, comment me below. I will do it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you didn't so far. Click the bell icon, then only you will get my new video notifications. Like, comment and share this video because it is not easy to create a video like this. Now let's come to the Kdenlive interface. Now we have to take a new file. This is the file menu. Here is the clip monitor and project monitor. Now click on the file menu and select the video specification, then click OK. This is the project bin. This is the clip monitor. This is the project monitor. Now we have to import the clips to the project bin. Let's see how to import it. Here is the import button. Click on the button and open the destination folder. Click the files one by one or select all together. Then click OK. See, now we have imported the clip to the project bin. You need not switch on to another specification. Now you can see the clips are in the project bin. Now you can click and drag the video clip into the video track and the audio clip into the audio track. See, the video clip is clicking and dragging into the track. Then adjust the track. Now let us play in the project monitor. It is a movie of the software. Again, download or insert the clips one by one and bring it into the track. It is very easy to edit in Kdenlive if you practice it well. And also it is a free and open source software, so you can edit without any cost. And download or insert all the clips consistently into the track and adjust the clips. Insert the video clips and audio clips in audio track also. And insert into the project bin. Then click and drag the voice clips also into the audio track. Arrange all the clips correctly and play the movie part. This is the movie part, and adjust the clips consistently and create the movie. After this, click the render button, and after rendering you will get the result. See the video, what a perfection.
Our love
loved exploring every corner, and Poco bounced beside her like a tiny cloud. Ara loved exploring every corner, and Poco bounced beside her like a tiny cloud. She imagined planting it and growing a magical flower. But she remembered her mother's words. Honesty makes everything gloom brighter. So Honora brought the seed to her neighbor, Mrs. Mira. I think this belongs to you, she said. Miss Mira smiled warmly. Because you returned it, the magic is yours too. She gave Ahara 2 golden seeds. That evening, Ara and Poco planted the seeds together under the sunset glow. And by sunrise, 2 shimmering flowers stood tall, proving that honesty always grows something magical.
Did you like the story? Comment me on the comment box. Thanks for watching.